Uh, Hello? Can you hear me? Uh, Hello, everybody. Sorry for that. I found these files laying around upstairs, and I thought I'd just make a video about it. I mean, my sister used to work as an A.D.U employee, so maybe she has something to do with this. Accelerate bird evolution. Subjects: crow, corvid. I'm guessing that means corvidae. Ostrich, strudion, probably also a group. Woodpecker, Pisidae? I think that's Pisidae. Penguin, Spenicidae. Oh, I recognize this. I was once in Australia. This is the blue penguins from Australia. I haven't ever been to that place. I just used to see videos of them when I was there. Using certain technology, we will send 300 of each to the Devonian. Isn't that like a decelerating bird evolution? Devonian, and see how they evolve. Oh, I guess this is the A.D.U's sign for accelerating bird evolution. Wait, let me just. This is on. I don't have editing, I'm sorry. What's this? Blue Australian penguin, Devonian. Prey ray finned fish. What is this? What happened? Looks like I took it wrong because it looks like this. Oh, so Devonian blue Australian pig prey ray finned fish. They circle around it just like a dolphin, and then they grab it and tear it apart. That sounds good. Oh, sea scorpion, competitor, apex predator. They both eat fish and battle over prey. Oh, but I don't think sea scorpions eat ray-finned fish. Maybe ray-finned fish is just one of the things the blue penguins eat. New form swimming devices now used to climb trees. So I think they've grown something on their backs. It's like a flotation kind of thingy. Or maybe it's also to glide. Life. Egg, baby. They stay in large groups for most of the baby stage and catch insects. Teenager. They live mostly in the water, hunting and battling sea scorpions. Adult. Deal in, Hey, what is this? Why won't... I shouldn't have installed that game. Looks like I've got a virus again. You know what they say, the show must go on. They live mostly in the water, hunting fish and battling sea scorpions. Adult. To join the adults, they create their own groups. What could this possibly mean? Oh, there you are. I've been looking for you all over the place. Hey, Cudly, have you ever heard of accelerating bird evolution? No. Why do you ask? So I found these files over here. Oh, by the way, you're on YouTube. Oh, hi, YouTube. You better watch our channel when A.D.U makes it. I swear if we don't make it today, I will destroy you. Yeah, it's this thing. They're sending those creatures back to the Devonian. It's made by the A.D.U. I can't mention her name. I forgot. So our sister used to work at the A.D.U. Remember? Oh yeah. Maybe she knows about this. I thought all they worked on was Kylo's. Also, how could they have sent this thing back in time without me remembering about it in the slightest? Maybe they're creating an alternate universe. That's actually a good theory. We need to do further investigation into this. Also, I wasn't. You told me to get that game, and guess what? Suddenly, the pen went out of control, and guess what? I think that I have a virus. See, now it's scribbling all over my stuff. Hey, stop it, stop it, stop it. Oh, forgot to equip my antivirus. Okay, it's gone. It also scribbled out this text saying more soon. More soon. It's like they knew I would be reading this. Any other information you think you can get out of this thing? No. We'll just have to look for more of these documents. 300 of each. Those things would die out really quickly, right? Yeah, but apparently they haven't, because here it says that it's worked. This thing already exists. You know, if they have time machines, they probably have alternate universe devices. But how would we get one of those from them? You know, it's hard to not say her name. Yeah, just try. So our sister used to work at the A.D.U, remember? Maybe she has one. That's a good idea. Well, anyway, until then, okay, so, wait. Before I say goodbye, I just have to do something, okay? Okay, so I need to show you Cudly. He's one of the buddies. Okay, this is your first time I've ever seen. Oh yeah, I forgot. I already showed you guys my face in the Cooking with A.D.U and Elmo video. Hello. Here with Cudly. Yeah. Bye-bye. Say with me. Bye-bye.